Hey guys, Lisa Laura here, and I'm back with another video. So, as you can tell, this is one of my reborns. This one is Startle, and the bottle is actually sealed. This is fake milk in here. The nipple is sealed. There's glue in the nipple, so even, because she can't actually eat, she's a doll. But this is just for fun, just like for fun. But, yeah, there's nothing coming out. I'm going to show you how to make this fake milk. You can use it for like pretend for like baby dolls or whatever. So you don't have to buy like those little baby bottles. I mean, you probably still could if you wanted to, but those toy baby bottles. Because this one you can make it look more realistic. So, and I have another cup of it actually. I'm gonna grab it. This one is a sippy cup, which I use for Theo. Well, I was going to, but I haven't sealed it yet. So that's why I can turn it upside down. And it has a cap on it too. Alright. So this bottle is just like, I don't know if you could see in the other one, has kind of like a yellowish tint to it. See it? How it kind of has a yellowish tint. Well, that's because I made it to look kind of like breast milk. And this one is just white, just like regular cow's milk. So what you do is, this is already made, but I don't have any more. So this bottle was already empty. I just took some water, put some water in the bottle, poured it into the cup, and then you take a little bit of yellow paint, just a teeny tiny bit. You can also use yellow food coloring. I just have a lot of paint. But just a teeny tiny drop, like a little teeny tiny bit. You can always add more if you need more. So you just add a little tiny bit until you get the desired color. And so that's, with the yellow, that's how you make it look like the one in this bottle, like the breast milk. And for the one in this cup, it's just water and yellow and white paint, I mean. That's why it's just white. And I think it looks pretty real, actually. So, yeah. Just a little bit of paint and some water. And you put however much, and then you can always water it down in the bottle, because you're not going to be able to fit as much water in here as you might want to have in here. So, I think, how much is in this cup? I think I put, it's about 2 ounces. I could make more, but this is only 2 ounces. So however much you want, however much milk you want, you put the milk in the bottle, and then you measure out the water, and then wherever the line is, add that much amount of water. So yeah. Anyways, hope you guys enjoy. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed day. Love you all.